Hey, yes, you. I'm talking to you. Hello, my name is Awili and I'm from VCAT Studio. And today I'll be showing you guys some cultural Igbo dance steps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, VCAT Studio. So now let me introduce myself, like formally introduce myself the way we do it in the Igbo land. Igbo Queen, yay, Igbo Queen, yay, Igbo Queen. So let's dive into the dance. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the dance I just showed you guys. Please don't think it's too hard. It's as easy as very easy. I will teach you guys how to move your body, your waist, and your legs together. So please watch and learn. Watch closely. Okay, now the first step. Our first step, we're going like this. Watch. You go like this, our right hand and our right legs move in and out. You move like this, in and out, in and out. Please remember, whenever you are dancing your cultural dance, you don't have to stand. You have to bend. When you bend, you make the dance beautiful. This Igbo dance, we use our waist. You move this waist like this. It's beautiful looks, smiling like this. Shake that waist. You can see it now. Very easy. Like this and out. Like this and out. So that's it for the first dance. Second step, we'll go like this. Watch. Like this. Like this. You move to the side. You move like this. You move to the side, side to side. With your hands, moving with your body. Your hands moving with your body. First of all, you move your right leg and you balance. Your left leg and you balance. Your right leg and you balance. So, like this. Smiling. You can actually shake your chest if you want. If you don't want to shake your chest, you can actually pop it like this. Like this. Like this. Or you shake them like this. Either ways, any one you can do as far as you are moving. And please don't stand. You're bending. Your waist is moving with you. Shake the waist properly. Let the dance look beautiful. Okay? I hope you guys learned this one. Now we move to the third step. And the third step is like this. We are going side to side again with another pattern. You move like this. You turn. Shake your waist. And you turn. Like this. Now, let me teach you how to move. Let's move to the right side now. You're moving like this. Your legs move like this. That's it. So you move it like this. And you're moving. Like this. Like this. Your waist, remember to bend them. Shake them like this. So when you're moving, you shake them like this and jump. Move and jump. Move and jump. Jump. And jump. Do you get that step now? I hope this one is easy for you to do. Now let's move to something different. This is more of the Enugu dancers. This dance, particularly Enugu women, they do this dance. You are going to stay like this. This is how you bend down. Your toe, your tippy toe bends like this. It's like this. Your tippy toes, raise them like this and come down. Raise them like this and you come down. We move with our toe now. You move side to side. Use it and turn to any position you want to. On your toe, your tippy toes, like this. Your knee is bent in and out, like this. Your toe and your knee goes together, like this. Like this. So I want to move now, like this. Are you seeing me? We're dancing on our tippy toes. Your knee is bent like this. So now you're just moving just your toe and your knee. Your toes and your knee. Now move with it like this. Remember your waist, please. Don't just stand and be like, no, move your waist. Are you seeing it? You can put styles side to side. You can add flavor on it. Depends. You can fold your hands like this and still do it like this. Okay, I hope this one doesn't give you stress because I'm enjoying myself. I hope you guys are enjoying what I'm doing. Okay, so now we move to the fifth step. This one, we are like moving around. Let me show you guys. Standing like this, then we do like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, side to side. You open from this side, you open from the other side. You open from this side, and then you open like this, like this, like this, and like this. Okay, like this. You're facing side to side with your hands. There's no even stress in this one. You're just standing if possible. Or maybe you want to bend, no problem. If you still want to stand, no problem. Just make sure your hands are going side to side. You're smiling. You're enjoying it. Add beauty in it, and that's it. As easy as you can see it. Okay, our last step will be this. Watch. You're going like this. Back. You bring your legs out. Your hands are placed like this. You're not moving them. It's just the legs that are moving. Your right leg, bring them back. Left leg, bring them back. If you don't want to do it that way, you can actually do like this. You shake your chest. Your shoulders are moving like this. Either ways. Either you're doing it like this or like this. Like this. Either of them that is easy for you, you can do it. Side to side, as easy as side to side. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed all the cultural steps. Now let's run them all together and make a beautiful cultural dance. Thank you so much for taking out your time to watch this video. Okay, please, if there's any suggestion or if there's any other thing you want us to present, please drop it at the comment section. And please, please, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Big Cat Studio. I love you. Bye.